I got my neighbor's snowblower running, but I noticed that the skids appear to be very worn on the bottom, which is causing the actual housing to be dragging on the ground. So I'm gonna pull those off and make an adjustment or flip them upside down so we can wear the part that's not been used yet. I've got the skid off. Obviously this was the side that's been down. You can definitely tell it's thinner than the material up here. Maybe hard to tell in the camera and the light, but given that there's some adjustment, what I can do is drop this down and allow the skid to keep wearing. Who knows, a little more might say it's time to flip it over, but until it's worn all the way down, why not keep using it? So I got the shoe back on and just simply dropped it down lower. Of course, over time it'll need to get flipped over as the bottom wears out, but again, just looking to get the housing off the ground. I'm sure there's a factory spec, but of course the higher you get it off the ground, the less it clears snow. So it seems to be about right.